My name's Rhiannon. I'm the owner of Rhiannon Art Limited. I'm a self-taught artist. I sell original watercolour paintings and turn them into products such as coasters, cards, placemats. I then sell them across Wales, and I've been in business for 6 years. My biggest challenge to date was actually setting up the company. I decided to be an artist after graduating from university with a degree in psychology. So as you can imagine, it was a bit of a scary move. Also, I had no experience with owning my own business, but I decided to go for it anyway, and I think I've just had to teach myself and learn as I go, and I think it's paid off. My greatest achievement is generally just becoming an artist. It was always a dream of mine, and now that I am an artist, it's just I'm living my dream every day. If I had one sort of proudest moment, it's working with schools. A lot of children study my work, and then the schools ask me to come in to paint big projects, big murals with them, and hopefully I'm inspiring, a younger generation, which is a big achievement for me. My marketing advice is to do as much as you can on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and any other social media sites. As a self-employed person, it's only you that can market your work properly, so I'd say take advantage of all the social media sites that are out there. Tip number 1 is to not be scared of rejection. A lot of my products have been rejected before and haven't sold well. A lot of shops have turned me away, but you've got to keep going and believe in your product and in yourself. Tip number 2 is to always keep learning, listen to advice. I take so much advice off friends and family and try and learn off them. And tip number 3 is to work hard. As an owner of your own business, if you don't work hard, you won't see the rewards, and the rewards are amazing, trust me.